Welcome to the first lesson in Algebra 1. Today we are going to explore what algebra really is. You might have seen letters like X or Y in math before. Today you'll finally understand why they are used. Algebra helps us solve problems when we don't know all the information yet. Let's begin. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what algebra means. You'll learn why algebra is useful in school and in real life. We'll also talk about three important words: variables, constants, and expressions. These words will come up almost every algebra problem. Let's take a closer look. These four words are the building blocks of algebra. A variable is a symbol like X that can change. A constant is a number that stays the same. An expression is a combination of variables, numbers, and operations. An equation is when two expressions are equal, connected by an equals sign. Algebra is like solving a mystery using numbers and symbols. Instead of knowing every number, we sometimes use a letter like X to stand for something we don't know yet. This helps us figure out things step by step. Algebra is also great for finding patterns in numbers. It's like a language for problem solving. A variable is a letter that stands for a number we don't know yet. The value of a variable can change or be replaced with different numbers. A constant, on the other hand, does not change. It will always stay the same in a problem. Together, variables and constants help build algebra expressions. An expression is like a math phrase. It doesn't have an equal sign and doesn't give an answer by itself. For example, 2x plus 5 is an expression. It includes a number, a variable, and an operation. Expressions are how we write algebra problems. Here are some expressions you might see in algebra. Notice that there is no equal sign in any of them. Each one mixes variables and numbers using addition, subtraction, or multiplication. You don't need to solve anything yet. Just recognize them as expressions. They are the basic language of algebra. Algebra is not just for school. It's used in real life too. People use it to plan budgets, build houses, design video games, and more. Algebra helps you think logically and solve problems step by step. It also prepares you for future math like geometry and calculus. In short, it gives you problem-solving superpowers. Now it's your turn to try. Look at each expression and find the variables and constants. For example, in 3x plus 2, The variable is x and the constant is 2. Pause the video and give it a try. When you're ready, hit play and move on. Let's review what we learned today. Algebra uses symbols like x to stand for unknown numbers. Variables can change, but constants remain the same. Expressions are made from numbers, variables, and math symbols. And most importantly, algebra helps us solve real-life problems. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comment below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.